Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add new tabs in Windows 11 File Explorer. So this is my Windows 11. Let's just launch the File Explorer. So if you guys didn't know, you can actually add a new tab on your Windows 11 File Explorer, like on Chrome. So this is my let's say I'm going to open the downloads folder, and I want to open another one. But here, if you want to, you can just open it in a new tab by clicking on this plus icon at the top, and you can open a different folder. Here, let's say I'm going to open the music folder. You can see you can move in between tabs just like this. Even if you need to open another one, you can just again click on the plus icon and new tabs will be added directly. So guys, that's pretty much all. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.